Hello, everyone. I wanted to show you a really awesome website that you can use at home. The website is called RAZ Kids. RAZ stands for Reading A to Z, and it is a reading website. If you go to your ClassLink page, you should see a little robot that says RAZ Kids. If you click on it, it will take you to the RAZ website. And the website looks something like this. You might see a planet that says reading. If you do, you'll just want to click on it to make sure that you're in the reading section of the website. And there are a few different places that you can visit on the website. You won't always see these places. Some of them are always there, some of them are not. So I'm just going to quickly show you some of these places so that you know what to expect. And if you've already used this website before, that's okay. You'll still want to watch this video just to make sure you know all the features. So you might see a flight check section. If you do, you'll want to click on that. A flight check is a quick test that you take for me. And the test will be a story for you to read. Then you'll have to retell me the story and then answer some questions. And everything you do on this site gets sent to me. So I can always see the books that you're reading, the recordings that you make, and I'll even be able to see your answers to questions. So if you see a flight check, you'll want to click on that, but you won't always see it. Another thing that you might see is my assignment. This happens if I give you a special story to read, like for homework. So if you see my assignment, you'll want to click on that because there is a special story that I want you to read and some questions to answer. But those ones aren't always there. The ones that you will see the most are Reading Room and Level Up. Reading Room is basically a library, so you'll spend a lot of time in there. If you go to Reading Room, you will have lots of books to choose from, and you can listen to the books, you can read the books on your own, and then there are questions at the end for you to answer. And you always want to do your best job because, like I said, they get sent to me. And if you see check marks underneath, that means you already read it on your own, you already listened to it, and you already answered the questions. So there's lots of different books for you to choose from in the library, and they are books that you can read. They are on your reading level. The other section is Level Up. So if you want to move up to a new reading level and you want to get some new books in your reading room library, you need to complete the Level Up section. And Level Up has a few books in it to pick from. And these are the books that you need to complete in order to get up to the next level. So you'll have to read the book and you'll have to answer the questions. And if you do a good job on it, you will get to move up to the next reading level. And whenever you move up to a new reading level, you also get some new books in your library. So the Reading Room and the Level Up section are the places that you will use the most. At the bottom of your screen, there's a messages section. So if I send a message to you, you can find it in there. The star zone is where your star points are collected. Every time you read a book and every time you answer questions correctly, you earn stars. And your stars you can trade in for special avatars. So those are your character. So your star you can cash in to get some special outfits for your character, to change how your character looks, to get some toys for your character. So the more books you read and the more questions you answer correctly, the more stars you'll get. So you can cash in your stars in the star zone. The last section is My Stats. So if you click on My Stats, you will be able to see how many books you have read so far, how many books you listened to so far, how many questions you answered, and also how close you are to getting to the next level, how close you are to completing your current level. You'll also be able to see your badges that you've earned. So the more books that you read and the more questions that you answer, you can earn some special badges as a reward for doing a good job. So make sure to check out the RAZ Kids website. Try and get on there as often as possible. There's lots of good books in there. I can't wait to see what book you're reading and to listen to your recordings and to also see the questions that you're answering. So make sure to always do your best, have lots of fun, and enjoy this really cool website. Thank you.